Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In today's video demonstration, I'm going to show you the add new contact feature and the other points that are described into this article. So the first one and the most special in this article is adding a new contact itself. So you have to go to your specific project, that in our case is Redmine CRM plugin demo project, and then go to contacts, and here we got a new contact button. So you just click on it, and then the first thing is to select an avatar, a picture. So in our case we're going to create a contact for Eminem, the rapper Eminem. Alright, so the other thing is that if you're creating a company, you have to tick this and then fill the information below. However, in our case we are going to create a real person, so it is not a company, it is just a person. So we continue. It is the Marshall Bruce Mothers. Okay, so company name is Shady Records, and he got a birthday on the just think about it, it was October the 17th and the year is 72. So this is the birthday of Eminem. So title is rapper. Street name, actually I don't know, so you could say some street number. Alright, phone, so we have to fill, I don't know it as well, so some random number. Alright, Slim Shady, shady.com. This is just an example, of course. This information is not real, so this is just for our demonstration video. The website is eminem.com, Skype Eminem, license active, purchase date of this license, for example this date, VAT number, some VAT number, leave a comment. This is the contact of the rapper Eminem. Alright, so tags, they are Eminem and Slim Shady and Shady Records, best rapper. Okay, so responsible for this team, for this person is, for example, Ashton Kutcher. This is the actor. Alright, visibility by project's permissions, or yeah, it could be public. It depends on your needs. Okay, so we save our changes and our new contact is ready. So here is Marshall Mathers, also known as Eminem, and he has a picture, he has tags, he has job title, phone number, email, responsible person, etc. So yeah, this person is now created. Alright, so we continue now. We see that we are able to export and import contacts list. So I'm going to show it to you now. We go to our contacts list here. So we see companies as well as persons, people. So yeah, this is a full list of all companies and persons into this project. There are 13, including the Marshall Mathers Eminem. So the thing that we have to do is to just click on CSV, and these contacts are going to be downloaded. So we have them now available. When we open it, we see them as a table. Yeah, this is the table of the contacts. Okay, So if we would like to import them into another project, I'm going to show you how it is going to be done. So I create a new project and name it, for example, testing project for importing contacts. Okay. So it is very important to enable the contacts module. It is already enabled, and could be possible to add deals. So deals and contacts are both modules of the contacts or CRM plugin. So create this project. Okay, and now we go to our contacts list and we see there are no contacts here, no data to display. You could create a new one. However, in our specific case now, we would like to import the contacts that we have in our list. So we click on import and then browse the file that we have downloaded. It is contacts.csv. We select it. It is stated here that it should be CSV. Okay, here it is by default. And into this place here, we have to set the field mapping. Okay, we see that 13 items have been imported. Yeah, so this is Marshall Matters is here and the others. Okay, so they are now imported. Okay, so the other things that we could do is have notes. Please note, in order to let non-administrators to export contacts, you have to change permissions for these roles. Alright, we have a specific article for this feature. So if you'd like to check it, you have to go to our CRM documentation, which is here. And it is named Access Management. So the access management has description in details, the permissions for the specific users and roles, about the contacts and deals. So you could check screenshots, and also there is a video demonstration like the current one for this feature. If you like, you could check it, of course. Alright, and the other note is that both contacts and deals are project related. That's why there is no way to add contact or deal from global contacts or deals pages. So this is very important note. This means that if you go to the global contacts list that is here onto the top, it is listing all contacts from all projects. As you can see, then there is no way to create a new contact. So you could be confused maybe at this moment, because why it should not be created. Then this is the reason. It is because contacts are project related and not global, so you cannot create the contact globally. You have to go to a specific project like we have done into the beginning of the video and then create the contact. It could not be done into the global menu. This is just the design of the contacts. They are created into a project and not globally. And just for information, there is also a troubleshooting guide that is written about this problem. So you could go to our CRM documentation and then scroll down to the troubleshooting, and there is no new contact button. So here you could check in detail these things. There is no button, so the solution is to create a new project, and you could check the video demonstration of this. Alright, so one very important thing also I would like to say and to teach you about this thing. If you would like to some contact or contacts to be available not only in one project but for many projects, then you have to enable one feature, and it is located into administration here to the top right corner, and then contacts, yeah, and then here it is, allow cross-project contacts relations. It is already enabled in our case. So if this feature is available, then you could use contacts into other projects that are existing, and yeah, you could use them to cross-project relations. So for example, we have project A and we would like to use a contact from project A to project B. So with this feature in project B, we could use a contact that is located in project A. So I'm going to show it to you now, so it will be easier for you to understanding, and also it will be additional note as well into the add new contact. So just forgot to mention before that there are other ways of creating a new contact. The basic way is the one that I have showed you. However, you could create it in another way. For example, if we got invoices plugin installed, then when you create a new invoice, there is also an option to create a new contact here into this green button. So here it is. We create a new contact or company here. The same is valid into other plugins or subject as well. Subjects, for example, deals. If we create a new deal, then it is in project this one, and we could create a contact here directly. So we create a new contact directly when we create a new deal. Of course, it is available for other things too, for example, orders. When you create a new order, then you could create a new contact or company directly from here. So, as you can see, there are different ways of creating a new contact directly when you are creating other things, for example, invoices, deals, orders, etc. And the thing that I would like the note that I have mentioned before about the option for cross-project relations of the contacts was that you could use a contact from one project into another project. So let's go back to our example for Eminem. Eminem is created into a project CRM plugin demo. You remember this, okay? But now we are into products plugin demo. This is another project. Here it is, project Redmine products plugin demo. So the thing is that when we have enabled the cross-project relations option for the contacts, then I could use Eminem here into this project. Eminem is located into the CRM project, but I could use Eminem here. So when I write Eminem into the search, sorry, I have named him Marshall Mathers. Yeah, here it is, Marshall Mathers. Marshall Mathers is here. Here is a copied Marshall Mathers, and this is the original one from the CRM project. So we select Marshall and set order number, for example, yeah, some random number, and then Marshall Mathers are going to order what he's going to order. Redmine Consulting. Yeah, of course, Eminem could use Redmine Consulting, and he have to pay $75. So here it is. We have a new order, and Marshall Mathers is here. The contact is located into the CRM project, but we are now into the products plugin demo. This is because of the feature for cross-project relations which is enabled for the contacts plugin. So yeah, this is our video for creating a contact. As you have seen, we could create a contact into the normal way, and also we could create it into different ways when we directly create an invoice or an order or something else. We could directly create a new contact as well. And also we are able to use the contacts among all projects, as we have made with our M&M and Marshall Matters. And also there is one other way, by the way, for using contacts between projects. For example, if you have disabled the feature for cross-project relations, then you can manually select where the contact should appear. For example, Marshall Matters is now appearing into CRM plugin project. However, it is appearing in all other projects because of the feature for cross-project relations. However, if we disable it, then we could manually select the projects where Marshall could appear. For example, we add products plugin demo and some other, for example, help desk. Yeah, and now Marshall is going to appear into these projects when you create, for example, a ticket, or when you create something else. For example, if we go to help desk and go to issues and we create a new help desk ticket, so we select the support tracker for the help desk, and here Marshall is going to appear. We write Marshall, and here it is, Marshall is here. So we write a message to Marshall. Hi Marshall, how are you doing today? We miss your old style of hip-hop from the late 90s and early 00s years. Bye bye. So here is our ticket. We have just sent it to Marshall Matters. Here is he. You could see his information here. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful and good for you, and if you like it, you could check other articles and videos of the CRM plugin documentation. So thank you very much for watching this, and bye bye for now.